Right, so I've just repainted the domes. Looking good so far. So, yeah, that'll do, I guess. Trying to paint in a very ideal. Well, it's windy, that's the trouble. I'm trying to paint in the wind, which is a bit rubbish. You need to have better non-windy conditions to spray paint stuff. But yeah, I've used quite a lot of spray paint up just on four domes, and that's already half a can gone. So I'm going to try and economise the black spray paint. I imagine it's probably going to take like 3 cans, maybe 4 cans to do the whole lot. 56 of these hemispheres, something like that. I don't know. I'll see when it's done, I guess. The hardest part is just trying to get a sheen. I don't know if it's because of the primer that it's not as sheeny as it could be. It could be because it's just cheap paint. Could be a number of things. I don't know. Not sure. But yeah, just have to. I've basically got 200 of these domes for 50 quid. I thought I had about 100, but I've actually got 200, which is loads. So I can afford to experiment a little bit with the spray paints and just try and get a kind of system that works. See, it's very kind of, it's not exactly glossy. I don't know, I just need to work that out. Might be a reaction to the primer, perhaps. I don't know. Could be anything. Don't know what it is. It's always the problem with spray painting. Seems to work on this one though. It's a bit more glossy. Maybe it's because that's already been painted and built up the layers. Maybe that's why. I don't know. But yeah, I suppose like the overall look will be fine. Once they're all spray painted, and I don't know. Worst case scenario is just to spray a bit of gloss lacquer over the top of them, just to give them a bit of an extra glossy finish. But yeah, I mean that's generally what it looks like with cheap spray paints. I mean these only cost like 3 quid, so I don't know if it's worth spending a tenner on a can of paint. And they're all kind of pretty much 500, 400 millimeters of spray paint, and I don't know if it's more economical. Maybe I'll buy an expensive can just to finish it off, maybe just get the bottom layer done on all of them and then just take it from there. But yeah, apart from that, they look alright, I suppose, and yeah, just need to make up a whole bunch of them, so I need to make 56 of these little fellers, and yeah, stick them on the skirt.